Hey, Jim from Delta Mountain Custom Models got a Proto 2000 PA Lehigh Valley number 609. So out of the box, this was all Cornell red. I had to paint the roof black and the side grills black on this unit. I added the Tsunami sound. It has a single 1-inch speaker in it. Did LED lighting, added crew members to it as well. It looks much better if the front engine, if the coupler shield is on, because if it's open, it just looks too open with the coupler hanging out of it. And that's basically it. LED lighting, and we'll just listen to this guy. And I need to change the horn on it. But this one runs nice and smooth. Oh, sorry about that. And I'm just going to reverse that and get it going a little bit faster there. But that has a nice big motor inside of it. So even though it's a PA, that thing could probably pull a lot. And that's it, nothing too fancy lighting wise with this guy, but let's see if I can turn the LEDs on and off. Hold on a second. Kind of hard to see from that angle, but the number board does light up. It's just very slight because that light bar does go wraps around to where the number board is. So that's basically it. Well, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, if you look at a PA from that era, that's pretty much like dead on what those guys used to look like. So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye.